Greetings to East Hartford High School students. I'm Lakia Shavon Lightner-Padgett. The year I graduated was class of 1999. In this video, you will learn tips about love, self-confidence, respect, and after graduation. First tip, remember to love yourself every day. Tip number 2, wake up every day knowing you're worthy. Tip number 3, never allow a hater to dim your light. Tip number 4, do your best at everything that you do. Tip 5, your reputation will carry on for the rest of your life. Be sure to respect yourself first before others can do the same. And my final tip for you is, after graduating, make sure to develop goals and accomplish your dreams. If you want me to be your mentor, contact the East Hartford Alumni Association and Education Foundation. Again, my name's Lakia Shavon Lightner-Padgett, and I look forward to mentoring you. Take care. Bye-bye.